Welcome to Edelbrock. We're at the 2019 SEMA show, and today we're going to talk about our Supercharger Kit for the V6 Camaro, Canyon, and Colorado. This application is a 50 state emissions legal and is a bolt-on installation. Our kits are complete kits. They include everything you need to install a kit, from preformed hoses to any hardware and any bracketry. The main core of the system is a supercharger, which utilizes the Eaton 1740 rotor system. And it's actually a very compact design, fits under the stock hood, no welding, no any kind of modifications made to the vehicle. We also include a bypass valve, which gives you the ability for a minimal decrease in mileage. You are going to get, you're always going to lose mileage when you get a supercharger, but at the same time, what you're gaining in that is power. In this case, you're gaining 345 horsepower to the Colorado to the rear wheels, and 375 horsepower to the Camaro, the rear wheels, which equates to about a 30% increase in power. And the great thing about it is we also do a ton of tuning and a ton of calibration work. So the Camaro's got that sporty kind of Camaro feel to it, where with the truck we've actually optimized the torque, giving you the power you need should you want to tow a boat, any kind of toys, whether you're going to do some dirt bike riding, anything like that. So this is what's great about our system, is we've utilized all this technology to make a vehicle, and what's great about it, it's great on a daily driver. So you have and when you're driving daily, you don't really know the supercharger's there, but when you need it, you can. And also too, one of the final things that we do offer is we actually offer a optional 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, which is an extended warranty. Should something happen because of the supercharger, we will take care of your powertrain. So to learn more, go to edelbrock.com, and also you can buy direct from us at edelbrock.com or at other sites around, so visit us and check out more. To learn more, visit edelbrock.com. You can also check out our website to find a local installer and other places to purchase.